Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Trainset. My name's Levi Ellie and today we're at Barnham on the West Coastway line. So this is 377-413 working to London Victoria, working in front of 37610, which will be working a special service to Woking. So you'll be seeing services by Southern and the one driver training run using at 37. So let's see what else is going to happen here. Okay, 377-413 is now departing. Okay, the next train to arrive in is the 1640 Southern service to Bognor Regis, formed of a 377 or pairing or trio of 377s. Not exactly sure which it will be, but it's a singular set. 377-451. Marvellous, looking very clean as well. Well, maybe apart from the inter-doors things. Okay, 377-451, as my finger gets absolutely freezing, is now departing. Which is having a wee! Lovely. So does that one. Once again you can see 37610 just in the corner. Okay, now coming in is 313-207 with a terminating service from Bognor Regis. As the lights are now on, as it is raining, and also the sun's setting because it's October. That's a thing. Marvellous. Okay, the next train to arrive in on our radar is this 313, not the one behind me. Or thing behind me. It's a 377. Good trains then, but apart from this one. The 313, no good. 37 though, best. Right. This is 313-212. I get that these things are 45 years old, but come on GTR, you can do a better job than that. Anyway, this is 377-146 working the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour. Okay, 377-146 is now ready to go, and is going. One member of staff not particularly happy about that fact. 313-212 is also departing to Littlehampton. Oh, nice spark from 377-146. Okay, the next train to overtake the 37 is a 377 going to London Victoria.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the
Oh my
British
goodness, there's
Transport
actually blue
Police
sky. What is this
61016.
mad world? Alright.
We'll sort
Which,
it. See it, say it.
steamy
sort
rainy
it.
glasses versus nothing. 377-431. That is going to shatter world records, I tell you. Very clean for a change.
Platform 1, order 16.
Okay, 377431 is now about ready to go. Okay, 3760 is now on the move. Behind me is 313207, but we're not paying attention to that. Okay, the next train to arrive in is the Southern service to Southampton Central, formed of a singular 377. It's a high capacity unit, that's all I can say at this stage. It's 377110. So I've seen 112 and 110 today, but no 111. Probably running a different service, let's be honest. Probably running up the East Coastway. Classic. Okay, 377110 is about ready to depart. Once the driver sorts himself out. Which I'm sure won't take too long. I'm sure you'll be fine. I see the lights are still on, so that's not going to happen. Oh well, might as well keep her rolling. Anytime you like, sir. Oh, there's something. I heard a brake squeal. There we go. Lights are off, and we're going to depart. Another little lovely spark there. All units seem to be sparking really well today. Okay, just through there you can see a pairing of 377s going to London Victoria. Which is now through the hedges and bushes, so I'll move here. And now you can see it. So now I move here. And everything's going to work in your favour. Because I'm like that. I've completely forgotten what units these are as well, so, you know. That's what you get with me, this is what you signed up for, so enjoy. 377451 at the front. .377 130 at the rear. Okay, 377 451 and 377 130 are now on the move. So as she goes and the next 313 comes in, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, and it's greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, make sure to like and subscribe. Also leave a comment as well. I will go back to them as and when I can. So from me and Barnham, I shall see you next time. Goodbye.